Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be putting on road active suspension on the F-150. I just have it in place. It's not just living there, right? So I need to jack the truck up, shock the front wheels, and let's see what we can work with. Because yeah, it's time. It is time. All right, like and subscribe. Alright, using the big impact. Oh my god. And it's stuck. Cool. Of course, it's a little stuck. There we go. First time off. And I'm getting new tires on Monday, so that's exciting. Alright, let's take a look. What I'm doing here is just loosening up this. Maybe? Yeah, okay. So this was all the way down. So we're going to give us as much tension as possible to get this thing in check, and then we will continue with the install. So on this, I do have to relocate the bump stops, apparently. A lot of threads. A lot of adjustability. Okay, so that's the end. Let's put it back on a couple threads. And then the bottom one as well. And now I get to undo this bolt, because that's going to go underneath the leaf right there. Be the right size, and it is. Sweet. Awesome. Alright, slide this thing on. See if we can do so without scratching anything. Okay, that's now tight, believe I have enough clearance to clear my sensor for the headlights. Alright, before I complete the install, I'm going to install those spacer bump stop relocations, and that should be pretty easy. So cool. Socket. Let's see if I can actually get this thing off. A little awkward. We got it. One bump stop out and quite dirty. A little bit more modification of the bracket. So there's that, and let's see how it fits. Sweet. And I hit it with some paint just to keep the rust from coming back. So, alright. I'm gonna stick that bolt in there. That's the bolt that's gonna hold the bump stop. And then, same bolt that came out. Putting that in the hole. This in. Okay, some minor issues. These pins don't line up with anything, so I'm gonna cut this off right here, and we're just gonna eyeball it. Line everything up, call it a day. And now time to put this thing back on. Okay. All right, that pretty much takes care of the bump stop. Okay. So now it's all installed. I just need to set the tension and we're good. On this side, 1/2 inch tension setting with the 1mm tension setting. So nothing there, but I'm just going to crank down this thing and see how it goes. It's a lot of work. Almost there. Okay. Sweet. Okay, let's tighten that down. And we are done with the left side. Shut the fuck up. Cool. On to the other side. I will torque that down in a second. Boom. Let's grind down this tab again and we'll repeat. Cool. All right, modifications are done. So that means we can put this in with the bolt, and then we'll be done with that piece. Let's try and impact this in. That's in. Now time for the bump stop. Bump stops are on. Now I get to install the last RES. All right. 1, 2, 3. Sneak this thing in here. Alright, again with the 3/4. Open this thing up. And I need a thing on the back, wrench on the back to keep it from spinning. Ah, man. Almost there. Cool. All right. That's the install for that one, and then tighten these 2 bolts down. And the last step, putting the tire back on. Now let's torque these wheels down and call it a night. Okay, let's lower it. that's it for this one. Like and subscribe. Next video, I'm probably going to be mounting the camper on the truck again, just making sure that everything looks right, making new attachment points. So, yeah, all right, like and subscribe. See you on the next one.